channel. Today we will learn about Google Documents, bullets, numbering, spacing, and many other things. Okay, let's go to Google Documents. Okay, select the page and select and bold it. You can underline. Yeah, you can make it center. Between these two you can change the space. You can increase it or decrease it. You can highlight the team members. You can make it professional by bulleting these members. As spacing between highlighted and the normal. Line spacing, indent. Complete paragraph will move to the left or right. Complete paragraph will move, not first line. To move first line, just you have to use tab. Simple tab. Okay. You can change the font size. You can add comments. You can link this word with any special website or any special link or Wikipedia. You have to control and click it, then the word will go to that specific website. Yes. Team responsibilities, I'm gonna make them in bullet form. Numbering. There are multiple numbering formats. You can use any of them. Highlight this heading, make it center, and increase space. Add space before paragraph, after paragraph. So that's all. You can work online. You don't have to download any special software. Subscribe my channel.